Hello everyone, welcome you all in today's my class. In today's class, I will proceed our geography chapter, natural vegetation and wildlife resources with next topic. And in my previous video, I already discussed topic about forest. Okay, in today's video, I will discuss types of forest in India. So major types of forest found in India are first is evergreen forest, second is deciduous forest, third tropical thorn forest, and mountain forest, littoral and swamp forest, etc. In this class in this class means 8th class. In our geography chapter, we will in this chapter we will discuss only two types of forest. First is evergreen forest, and second is deciduous forest. So, what is evergreen forest? So, these forests are so named as there is no particular season for trees. Okay, so these forests are so named as there is no particular season for trees. So said all their said all their leaves. Therefore, this forest remain green all through the year. So that is reason this forest is called evergreen forest. I again repeat, these types of forest are so named as there is no particular season for trees to shed all their leaves. Therefore, this forest will remain green all through the year. Okay, so green forest can be divided into four groups. First is tropical, second is temperate, third is Mediterranean, fourth is coniferous. Okay, so let's discuss all are one by one. So tropical evergreen forest. So tropical evergreen forest, also known as tropical rainforest. This forest form a dominant part of the natural vegetation in India. They have abundant rainfall and are evergreen as they experience no period of drought. Okay. So characteristics of these types of forest is tropical evergreen forest experience nearly 200 centimeters of rainfall. They have a temperature ranging, ranging from 15 to 13 degrees Celsius. The trees are dense and experience intensive growth. These forests are mostly found near the equatorial region. So, graphical location of tropical evergreen forest is that tropical evergreen or tropical rainforest are found in the eastern and western slopes of the Western Ghat. So, the major states where they are identified are Tamil Nadu, Kerala, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland, Tripura, Meghalaya, West Bengal, and Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Next, we discuss about deciduous forest. So, deciduous in this forest, most of trees shed their leaves at a particular time of the year, usually during the dry season. So, that is reason name of deciduous forest. This is done to prevent the loss of water from the leaves by transpiration. Deciduous forest can be divided into two groups, tropical and temperate. I again repeat about deciduous forest. So, in this forest, most of the trees shed their leaves at a particular time of the year, usually during the dry season. This is done to prevent the loss of water from the leaves by transpiration. Okay, so tropical deciduous forest can be divided into two groups. First is tropical and second is temperate. Okay, so tropical deciduous forest, also known as monsoon forest. Tropical deciduous forest are one of the widely spread forests in the country. They are divided into two types and homes with a wide variety of flora and fauna. So characteristics of these types of forest is one of the most widespread forest in India. Second is have an average rainfall between 70 to 200 centimeters. And third is the trees in tropical deciduous forest shed their leaves in dry summer for 6 to 8 weeks. Divided into two types based on rainfall. The leaves which are shed during the summer regrow during the monsoon seasons. So, tropical moist deciduous. Next, we discuss tropical moist deciduous forest. So, found in region with rainfall between 100 to 200 centimeters due to lack of moisture. Trees shed their leaves during dry summer and dry winters. So, tropical dry deciduous forest found in regions with rainfall between 70 to 100 centimeters. So, the trees have the tendency to regrow in less moisture area as well. There is a solid growth of grass and climber plants. The trees shed their leaves during summer, making it appear like a vast grassland with net trees. So, graphical location of tropical deciduous forests are so predominantly found in the eastern part of India. In the eastern region, they are found in the northeastern states, foothills of Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Odisha, and Chhattisgarh. Also, they are found on the eastern slopes of the Western Ghats. They have their presence in the rainier regions of the peninsula and the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. So next we discuss why do we need forest. We will discuss in my next video. So thank you for watching. Have a good day.